Well, hi folks, and welcome to the 21st edition of Ray White Now. Daniel Colson from Ray White New Zealand, and this week we look at what is happening in the marketplace right now. Of course, it marks 21 weeks since Ray White has been bringing you real-time, accurate market data to enable you to make a sound buying or selling decision. When we look at what is going on out there, of course, we're now on the back of school holidays for another term. We've seen an entire country move to alert level 1. And of course, over the weekend, New Zealand played host to the Bledisloe Cup, the first for 2020. It's really easy to draw comparisons between the final 9 minutes of that particular match and of course, what's going on in the marketplace right now. It is very competitive on the listing side of the transaction. 13.59% more properties coming into the market compared to 2019. However, we've got the selling rates at 49.46% higher than what they were over that same period. This is telling us that there continues to be significant demand on the buying side of the transaction. We're continuing to see that evidenced week in and week out in our auction rooms right across the country. On average, over the last 7 days, Ray White had 3.9 registered bidders and 2.7 active bidders per property that was auctioned over that period. And of course, when we look at the volume of property that Ray White took to auction over the last 7 days, 136 properties. That's up 119% on the same period last year. An additional 27 properties selling prior to making it to their auction day. Our colleagues at Loan Market tell us that home loan pre-approvals are currently at levels 3 times higher than what they were last year. There's lots affecting the market at the moment, and of course lots that we can talk about what is influencing the market. Quite a contrast from previous years though is what is not influencing the market, and this year that happens to be the general election. Typically we see a lull or a hiatus in the marketplace preceding the election. This year it has not been seen whatsoever. The market continues very strongly, and of course the buyers in the marketplace continue to be very, very active. If you are considering selling, you've been thinking about coming to the market, please don't hesitate to get in touch with one of the Ray White team from across the country. They'd love to give you some more specific information on your particular area and of course provide you with information with regard to the current marketing promotions that are on offer under the Ray White National Statement. If we can be of any assistance, please don't hesitate to get in touch.